sometimes we leave our window open just because it feels nice outside, and our dogs love to jump in and out. Y'all. Come here. Should I keep him? Yeah, birdie. Oh, almost got him. Okay, before you come at me and tell me just open my window and let him fly out, that white dog is a monster and will eat him in 2 seconds. Mission accomplished. He's so cute. Back outside for you, mister. You ready to let him go? Buddy!
Sleeping. Aww, he's so cute. Don't choke him.
Alright, you ready to let him go?
I could fly.
Let him go.
Jason, do you want to pet him?
Open your hands.
And he flew back to his tree.